Wait. Oga, calm down. Oga, wait. Leave this matter. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Valley Talker, aka Gabriel, the voice note guy. Okay, unlike every other story we've told on this platform, every other prank we've done, this is not a prank, this is a reconciliation program. Madam, what's your name?
My name is Jennifer.
Madam Jennifer right here, she told me a lot of things and I don't know how to explain this. So, Madam, what really happened between you and your husband?
The other day, like 2 weeks ago, okay. I went to the market only for me to come back and find out that my husband brought out all my things outside from the house and asked me to leave the house.
Your husband brought out, are you hearing? Her husband brought out everything that belongs to her and asked her to leave the house. Why did you say she leave the house?
I've been asking and he has refused to tell me why. He has refused to give me the reason why he asked me to leave the house. And we are married.
You guys are married. Let me get this thing straight. You guys are married. Like official husband and wife.
Yes.
He packed out your things and said you should leave his house.
Yes.
That he does not want the marriage again. Why?
I don't know. That is the reason why I came to you. Since I used to see you on a TV doing something like this, trying to reconcile two people together. So I decided to come to you to see if there's a way you can help me. Let's go so that you will talk to my husband for me.
I don't know. I really don't know what to say. Because it does not look ordinary. For a man to just say that his wife should leave the house without any explanation. Have you called his mom or his dad, his family, and I've told them about it? I
called the mom, so I went to see her. Getting to her place, she called my husband. My husband said, in fact, he does not even want to hear anything. He had to call the phone on.
Okay, he does not want to hear anything about that issue?
Yes.
So till today, you do not know why your husband said you should leave the house?
Yes.
Did you not cook for him?
I cook very well. I know how to cook. I cook very well.
You clean the house?
Yes.
You wash plates?
Everything. I do my domestic chores.
And you have a daughter for him?
Yes, you can see the baby now. I have a daughter for him.
Is it that he's following on? Do you have any idea if he's following on that girl or something?
I'm not sure. So I don't know.
You don't just know the issue?
Yes, sir.
This is a very serious case for a man who is married to a woman to tell the woman to leave the house without any reasonable reason. What's your husband's name?
His name is Peter.
You dey fear the man? Call him full name.
His name is Peter Solomon.
So you think before you call your husband name? Oh, I've been working on Darlene, I've been on him before. God, it's fine. While I don't start, the Peter, the Darlene they call, I don't turn to Peter. Anyways, it's fine. I understand how you feel already. I get it. I understand how you feel. So Peter Solomon is his name.
Yes, sir.
Peter Solomon. Sorry, baby. So what's going to happen here is, what does he do for a living?
He's an engineer.
He's an engineer.
Yes, sir.
You know what's going to happen? We are going to take the bull by its own. We are going to try something.
Okay.
You are going to give me his number. We'll go to his house, somewhere close to his house.
Okay.
Stay there and I will call him and tell him that I want to give him a job. Then when he manages to come outside, we'll not go to the house so that camera can follow us.
Okay.
And we'll go to somewhere a bit neutral, somewhere that is close to his house. Then we'll tell him to come outside. Then from there we'll know what to do. Okay. But I don't know, I'm not assuring you of anything, but let's see how it goes. We'll find out what the problem is today.
No problem.
So guys, you guys should just keep in touch, keep watching while we're trying to find out the reason for this marriage that is scattering. Apparently, we are very close to your husband's house, Abuna house.
Yes, this is our house.
Now inside your day.
Yes.
This one on the inside.
This one with the inside. The other way the
inside.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know what's going to happen here? Type in number for me. Man, call on. Just type on. Type on. This one with there, so?
Yes.
Man, call on, see. Man, call on, me come outside. So I'm not going. If you go that place, I know where to. I don't just want to go and then near anybody else.
Copy this view.
Break here and we ready for corners. Good afternoon, sir.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello? Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Okay, my name is Gabriel. I am close to your house, like outside. You are the engineer, right?
Yes.
Okay, so can we see outside? Something very urgent came up that I would like you to work on.
Something urgent that we like to work on.
Yes. You're an engineer now. Are you not an engineer?
Yes. Okay. So how do you want it to be like with it?
Okay, you know what's going to happen? I'm in my car here. What we'll do here is when we see, we'll drive to where we can sit down and talk officially. You get?
Okay, no problem. Then let's meet ourselves.
I'm outside. Thank you.
Okay, I'm coming then.
Thank you. Okay, so guys, it's coming. So madam, you will go back, hide for back of my car.
No.
Just stay there. I will wait for her for here. Just go there. I'll wait for her main come. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Okay, my name is Gabriel.
Yeah, you told me on phone.
But I want to talk to you about something very important. You came highly recommended. You are the engineer now, so
Yeah.
okay. It's not really about the engineering job. Let me not lie to you. It's about something else. This is your area, so I don't think you have any reason to be scared. Look at the camera there. Madam, come.
What? Excuse me, young man. What kind of joke is this?
Madam, Oga, calm down.
No, don't
Oga, calm down.
tell me to calm down.
Calm down, Oga, calm down. I beg, calm down. Calm down now. Oga, calm down. You calm down now. Okay, your wife, she met me. I'm a content creator. Your wife met me and said that you have refused to talk to anybody about the issues you have in your family. So please, can you just explain to me what's the issue you have with your wife?
Young man, I don't want this discussion here. I don't want to discuss with anybody anything concerning this woman here.
What did she do to you? Can you just explain what she did to you? At least that will make me understand. Let her understand. Let her know the crime that she committed.
You.
Let her know. Wait, madam, what did you do to him?
What did I do now? You're my husband for years now. What did I do? If I did anything wrong, why not
just tell her? Okay, tell her now. Just tell her. Let us get this thing right. Can you just tell her? Okay, see, I want to beg you in the name of God. You are a man. You are a father. That's your child. The child is suffering. Where have you been staying since? In the hotel, Abi?
Yes.
She has been staying in the hotel because you chased her out of the house. Why? What happened?
Please now, my husband. What did I do?
You know what?
What happened?
I don't want to talk.
Okay, just see, it will be better you tell her what she did that is making you this angry. What she did that is making you this sad. What she did that is making you feel this way. What did she do to you? Did she not cook for you? Did she not wash your plates, wash your clothes?
I wish you were in my shoes right now.
Okay, just talk to me. I'm a man like you.
Okay, fine.
It will be nice that we know what the issue is. No. I'm sorry it's on camera, but what can we do about it? Please, I beg you in the name of God. Just tell us what she did to you.
Please now, my husband.
Okay, fine. Jennifer, have I not loved you?
Yes, you have.
Have I not been taking care of you?
Madam, come close. Me no be less than one thing.
Have I not been taking care of you?
You have.
Okay, no cry for you now. I came here with this.
Okay, fine.
Okay, what's the issue?
Jennifer, who is Frank?
Frank.
Do you know any Frank?
I don't know anyone by that name.
You have been cheating on me all this while.
Me.
And I never knew.
Me? Cheat on you? How? When? So I don't understand.
Okay, fine. Who is the father of this child?
You. Why would you be asking that kind of question? You are the father, of course. He is the father.
Okay, wait. Do you know the gravity of what you are saying? Are you saying that you are not the father of this child?
You know, I respected you.
Okay.
I respected you. That's why I came to this place. But the fact is, I am not the father of this bastard she's carrying here.
Madam, do you have anything to say about this? Because it's a very serious allegation. You said you did not know why. So was that why you sent her out of the house?
Yes. That's why I sent her out of the house. Because of what I saw in her phone.
My phone.
Madam, do you have anything to say about this?
I don't have anything to say. Don't mind this useless man. You are stupid.
You are
what
calling
kind
me
of allegation is that?
Am I stupid?
Yes.
You are calling me a stupid man?
Wait. Okay, wait.
What kind of lie is that?
Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Madam, don't insult your husband here now. Okay, wait. I don't mean go inside. We must settle this thing. This is a very serious issue. Madam, you are saying that you do not cheat on him.
I did not.
And this child is his own.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, wait. Your wife here, she's saying that the child is your own. So please, I want to beg you, in the name of God, do you have any proof, any tangible proof that this child is not your own? Please, I want to see it.
Look at this.
Okay? You know it's for you to save him as wallpaper now. Wait, madam, who is Frank? Who is this guy that you see? According to what is written here, you wait. How did you get this thing? Did you open a phone and got this information?
I tried to notice her movement.
You noticed her movement. So what?
I collected her phone.
You collected her phone. You opened the phone.
I opened the phone.
And that's where you saw this.
That's what I saw in there, and I tried to say.
You transferred it to your own phone.
Yes.
Madam, don't be dramatic here. Your husband has evidence. What you are saying here is you are telling the man that I am here giving your child to somebody else that is my husband, and you don't want to send me money.
My husband, I'm sorry.
Jesus.
My husband, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It's the handwork of the devil. Please forgive me.
Please.
Jesus.
Just take her out of here before I do something drastic here
Help me
now.
beg him. Help me beg
Leave this
him,
place.
please.
Oga, calm down. Oga, wait. Leave this matter. Oga, leave this matter. Leave this matter. She dey beg you. Leave this matter. Leave the matter. Oga, you don't go. Madam, this is not fair now. This is not fair. You told me that you did not know what you did. And you've been cheating on your husband. You've been following men. You told me that you don't know what you did. You don't know what you did.
Please.
I should do what? What do I have to?
Please,
It don't make sense. I cannot afford to do that. You get me? I cannot afford to do that. Go enter motor man carry you, they go where you go. Go enter motor man carry you. Enter motor man carry you, go where you come from. Enter motor.